Okay, third time's the charm, right? Found another bolt we're gonna try. It's 3 inches long, quarter 20. Oh man, it's fun though. I mean, hey, it's interesting. It's not boring. Kind of like going to play DMZ. Get it in a big old battle. You die, but at least you wasn't bored to death. All right, we're gonna take this rubber. I want to double it up on this one now. I want to double it up, so I'm just gonna stretch it. Make a very small, I hope you can see that, make a very small slit, just like that, and then I'm gonna push this through, all the way down to the washer. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing with another piece on the other side. Going the other way, because my tape isn't wide enough. I could just go walk over there and get that other roll, which I'm not sure where it's at. But running out of time, so we're just gonna do it like this. Okay, now hopefully that rubber will seal. Smash in there and seal everything up. Like that. It's still not gonna be a permanent thing because I need to get a new foot valve and stuff. This may work for tonight. It'll look terrible, but we shall see. I hope it seals. I'm not even gonna cut that. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Okay, now I will double nut it in an effort to keep it from coming loose. Now, just going to ever so gently cut this. Now, I don't expect this to work, y'all, but gotta try. I mean, what if there was no more stores? What if we didn't have any money? Like, I really don't have any money right now, but okay, this little rubber didn't do anything. I'm thinking that's gonna seal it right there, though. All right, now we want to get this in there and get it screwed down in there. It looks about like it was. It's in there. I don't know how tight I can go. I'll try to go a little tighter, but it is plastic on brass, so. All right, quit turning before you break it. Jeez. All right. So, if that is not a contraption, I don't know what is. But, in theory, in my mind's theory, this flapper will keep my water level up. The water's gonna go past there and right up into the thing like I need it to. All right, we'll go put it back together and I'll catch y'all in a bit. Later.